you guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Christina. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful peach breakable heart. I received a ton of love, like a lot of comments and likes. It looks like you guys love this box. So I want to show you guys how to create this box. If you do recreate this box, please make sure to tag me on Instagram because I would love to show off your work. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so what you're going to need is 6 strawberries. Please make sure they're super clean and dry. Also, you'll be needing some mini cupcake liners and a gold luster dust. I got this from Lavender's Bake Shop. It's the best, you guys, the best. Also, you'll be needing some brushes, a big one and a small one, and a Ziploc bag. White chocolate, one for your heart and one for your strawberries. A peach candy coloring. I got this from Lavender's Bake Shop. It's by the brand Color Mill. I highly suggest getting Color Mill just because their formula is really good. I am obsessed. It's beautiful. Also a flower mold. I will be putting all the links down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase these items. Last but not least, your breakable heart mold. This is a geometric one. I know there's different ones, but I personally love that one. So we're gonna go ahead and start melting our chocolate. Okay, so it looks like our chocolate needs more time, but always make sure to move your chocolate around because you don't want your chocolate to burn. Okay, so now that our chocolate is fully melted, we are going to start coloring it. Also, make sure your chocolate it's not too hot, because if it's too hot and you start adding the candy coloring, it sometimes leaves like little specks. So please make sure your chocolate it's not too hot before you add the coloring drops. Okay, so now that your your chocolate it's fully colored, you want to go ahead and add it into your mold and make sure you cover all the edges, all the creases, everything. Okay, so you want to go ahead and just drop it like so, just so you can get rid of all those bubbles. So I went ahead and melted the chocolate for the strawberries. We are going to start working on our strawberries. Meanwhile, our heart is in the fridge. Okay, so let's start dipping our strawberries. Always make sure you grab all the leaves. To remove the excess chocolate, just start tapping gently. Okay, so our heart is ready for another layer. We want to focus on the edges because we don't want our edges to be too thin because our heart will break. So we want to go ahead and start applying a second layer along the edge. So once you're done adding a second layer to the edges, go ahead and add the extra chocolate inside the heart. When you're done, just pop it back in the fridge for a couple of minutes until it hardens. So meanwhile, our heart is in the fridge. We are going to start working on our flowers, letters, and butterflies. If you want to get rid of bubbles, make sure to do this step. Okay, you guys, so it's time to remove the chocolate heart from the mold. You want to be super careful. Take your time. Do it gentle, please, because this is a very delicate process. It could break, so please take your time. In this part, you want to avoid touching the top so you won't leave fingerprints. Also, go ahead and clean the edges if you do see some chocolate. Okay, so now it's time to use our luster dust. We will be adding this gold lust to the middle of the flowers and the butterflies. Now with your skinny brush, start adding the gold luster dust to the center of the flower. Okay guys, so moving on to the butterfly. I already did this one off camera, but I will be doing this one with you guys. So take off the butterfly slowly from the mold. You do not want to break it because you'll be super mad. But for this one, you're gonna need the big fluffy brush. I recommend using a big fluffy brush because it works best rather than the skinny one. Okay, you guys, we're almost done finally. So now it's time to add our little decor to our strawberries and heart. Last but not least, we need to add our beautiful gold butterflies. We are finally done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do recreate this box, please tag me on Instagram at Sprinkle Sugar Pop so I can show off your guys' work on my page. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!